want to back out, this is the time to do it.
Really?
No! Messing with you. Come on. Let's make history.
First announced way back in April 2020, titled Searcher Clade. Disney Animation finally pulled back the curtain and presented us with an updated look at the newly named Strange World. The film is directed by Don Hall, an Oscar winner with Big Hero 6, co-directed and written by Ki Win, who co-written Raya and The Last Dragon, and produced by Roy Conley with Jake Gyllenhaal voicing the lead. Here's the debut trailer for Disney's Strange World.
Prepare yourself for a journey beyond what is possible. Walt Disney Animation Studios proudly presents Strange World, a new motion picture event.
Brace yourself!
Travel past space and time to a place of infinite mystery, unlike anything you've ever seen.
Where in the world are we? What in the... We are in way over our heads. I'm not an explorer. I'm a farmer. Whoa. We need to get out of here!
If you want to back out, this is the time to do it.
Really?
No! Messing with you. Come on. Let's make history.
I am particularly fond of these types of grand sci-fi adventure animated films, because it usually leads to some of the most visually stunning world designs. There wasn't enough in the trailer to assess how well the plot and humor will come together, but there's already enough for me to know I want to explore these strange new worlds when the film arrives later this November. You may also be interested in our Bob's Burger review roundup. Also, please like, subscribe and share.